If you want to restore your destroyed car in GTA 5 Online, it's pretty simple. So all you have to do is bring up the phone by pressing the up arrow on the keyboard, or if you're in the PS5 or Xbox, you can simply press the up arrow on the D-pad to bring up the phone, and then select contacts. And then within the contact, scroll down and select Moores Mutual Insurance. So here it is. Simply select it, give them a call, and then all you have to do is select claim all, or you can select the car that you want to restore. So mine is from the bail office, and then that's the car that is destroyed. Simply select it. I can do that. And then you can now see your replacement vehicle can be found at the Moores Mutual Depot. So all you have to do now is simply bring up your car, request your personal vehicle, and you can now see the destroyed vehicle is back. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.